So, I'm pretty sure I have a ghost in my house, you guys. Weird stuff just happens all the time. Just before I started hiccuping, I have a hat on my closet door. Behind that hat was a pride scarf. You know, one of those rainbow colored scarves. I'm trying to figure out. I'm trying to put my hair back up. So, there have been a couple of times. I mean, I don't believe in ghosts. I'm not the type of person. I'm not the type of person who normally believes in ghosts. But there have been a few incidences. There was one where a bunch of bowls fell off my refrigerator. And they weren't even in a precarious position. Then there was an incident where I had a little jar of catnip on my work desk. So right after the bowls fell, I was upstairs in my room, and that's where my office desk is too. And I heard the bowls fall, and so I went downstairs to the kitchen, and there are the bowls on the floor. I'm like, there's no real explanation as to how they got there. So I came back upstairs, all freaked out, and I went to go sit down at my desk, and